guys, so today's going to be a pretty random video. If you happen to see my video on how to sleep well with a partner, then this extra mattress is a result of that video. So now I need to prepare this room for a nursery, but we still need a twin XL mattress. Now, if any of you guys have ever tried to sell a mattress on Craigslist, people don't really want to buy used mattresses. So that being the case, instead of paying for a brand new twin XL mattress, we're gonna cut this one in half. The dimensions of a king mattress are the same as two twin XL mattresses put together. So if you need an extra bed for a guest room, this could be a money-saving option. But if you want to do something like a day bed or a trundle bed, a lot of those only accept the size of a twin mattress, which is about 4 inches shorter on the end. So you may have to do 2 cuts long ways and then right at the end. Since I only need 1/2 of this, I'm going to go ahead and use scissors to cut the fabric a little extra on the side so I can just sew it up when I'm done. Try and make sure I'm cutting the right way long ways. So there seems like a few different layers here that's kind of stuck on a little bit, but this seems to be completely removable and seems oddly similar to the 3-inch foam topper that Costco actually sells separately. I got this mattress from Costco originally, so maybe they're just repurposing their toppers. That's probably good business sense. So now we're going to go ahead and take the cover off so we can measure up where exactly to cut on foam. This top layer seems to be just a little bit stuck to the bottom layer, but I'm going to go ahead and just separate it because I think it'll be a lot easier to cut this separate than from the rest of the mattress. A twin XL mattress should be 38 inches wide by 80 inches long, so I'm just going to go ahead and mark everything at the 38-inch mark. So this is the side I'm saving. We'll just roll this up and set it off to the side here. So this one seems to be a little bit more secured to the base. I think I'm going to try and leave it intact for the sake of integrity. And again, I'll measure at 38 inches from the side. Yeah, so piece of cake. If you want to turn one bed into 2, that's all you got to do. You just need a pair of scissors, a knife, tape measure, and a marker, and you're good to go. If you want to see my other video on how to sleep well with a partner, then here's the link to that. So hopefully you found this a little bit helpful. If you wonder why I'm dying right now, I have the AC off so you guys can have some good audio. So please subscribe, thumbs up if this is useful, and we'll see you next time.